How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80072F30. 1. Run Windows Store apps troubleshooter. 2. Reset the cache for Microsoft Store with 0x80072F30. 3. Make the Windows Update services run automatically. 4. Check and correct current date and time settings on your PC, if needed. 5. Turn off any active proxy or VPN server setting. 6. Select the automatic DNS server and IP address options. 7. Reinstall the MS Store app. To do so, run getapps package alias Microsoft.Windows Store for each apps package disable development mode register $_install location \appexmanifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin. 8. Check your internet connection and contact your internet service provider if needed. 9. Run the built-in network troubleshooter.